Qadr. Number 1. The sun rises early in the morning without strong rays or is without any rays, is gushing in white color. Number 2. Laylatul Qadr is a peaceful, tranquil, calm and quiet night. Prophet Muhammad said the night of Laylatul Qadr is calm, serene and peaceful night. It is not hot nor it is cold. Number 3. Look for the moon after Isha and Tarawih prayer and see if the moon is looked like half of Jaffna or split bowl. Number 4. The seawater tastes sweet. Number 5. Rain may fall either during the night or the day of that night. Number 6. The night sky will be lightly foggy. Number 7. That the trees fall to ground and then returns to their roots and everything prostrates in it. Number 8. The sky will be slightly lighted without reflection and rays. Number 8. A pleasant breeze or wind. If we notice these signs, we should be